Hi everyone, it's Professor Cole, and I just wanted to welcome all of you again to Liberal Arts Math 1. This is the online version of my class, and I wanted to walk you through what you're going to be doing this week. So one of the first things you should do, if you haven't done it already, is take some time to listen to my welcome video as I go through the syllabus and things that are important for this class. The other thing that you'll need to do is actually click on the syllabus over here on the left and access that and go through and make sure that you are familiar with all of my policies and procedures for this class. And then you can go to either the notes for today through accessing the modules here on the left, or you can access it here from this page. So I hyperlinked a bunch of things that are really important. Here's another place you can go to the syllabus if you need to. Here is also the Google Slideshow that I need you to click on. And what you're going to do is this slideshow is going to pull up and you're just going to introduce yourself. So I gave you an example here of me, and I just put a little welcome message and told you a little bit about myself, and then a boring fact about myself. So you can do something boring about yourself, or you can do something maybe interesting that no one knows. And putting a picture is optional. Okay, you don't have to do that, but it would be nice to see you since this is virtual, and we're not going to be meeting face to face as a class, so it'd be great to know everybody. And then you're going to, you can take a look at the pacing guide, which is right here. This gives the list of topics that we're going to be covering each week and the due dates. So there are specific due dates for the homework, and the homework can be accessed through Pearson, which I'm going to explain here in a second how you can get there. So this gives a list of dates for all of the homework assignments and when they are due. So one of the things that you want to do is you want to come here to the directions for registering and getting access to the homework assignments on Pearson. If you just read through here, this will take you through step-by-step using Canvas how to get your My Lab access to your Pearson account. And there's also an e-textbook on there as well. And if you just follow the steps, you'll be able to easily sign on to there, and then you'll see your assignments there. So how do you know what assignment to do first? Well, if you go back to the pacing guide, there are the weeks and then the due date. So the topic we're going to talk about today is 2.1 set concepts. And then there is a homework assignment in the Pearson My Lab, which is also 2.1. And that's due on the 12th. And then the next assignment is 2.2 subsets and 2.3 Venn diagrams and set operations. That homework assignment is due on the 19th. So that's before we meet the following week on Wednesday face-to-face. For you all, since it's online, you're working at your own pace. Here's also a list of each of the topics that we're going to be covering each week. And if you click on each of these, they're hyperlinked and it takes you to the video. And I will go through each of those topics so you can watch the video and you can also fill in the notes. So my notes are in the modules. If you go to modules, and you can pull up the notes here. And if you watch the video and follow along, I will take you through each of the topics and also explain to you, examples and go over things that are important within that section. So, I would take the time to do this and to watch the video before you attempt to do any of the homework problems in My Math Lab. And I think that about covers everything that I wanted to go over for today. I don't want to bombard you with too much information because it is the first day, and I know that this might not be the only class. Um, but I just want you all to know that I'm here to help you. If you ever run into any difficulties, please feel free to contact me. Again, make sure you go over the syllabus, make sure you're clear with all of the policies and expectations. And also, please make sure that for attendance purposes that you fill out that the slideshow so that I can take attendance and also get to know each of you. All right, I hope you all have a great day. I hope that answered some questions and also help you to get started so that you know what to cover this week. And I will write all of this out for you and I will put it in the modules so you can also follow along there as well. So you'll find the information for what you're completing this week right here in the modules under week 1, January 10th to the 16th. All right, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thanks for your time.